Ma, ma, oh, unsa man? Ma, nakay piso? Wala ko'y kwarta dire. Piso ra bitaw, ma? Wala lagi ko'y kwarta dire. Di ko sa ano, mama. Uy, piso ra ba ni? Hi mga gala, mayong adlaw. Ako si Judy. I teach Conversational Bisaya Cebuano on my channel. Okay, so in this lesson, I'm going to teach you how to say, I don't have money. Okay, I don't have money. Okay, so let's start. Here are some ways on how to say I don't have money in Bisaya. In this phrase, you can add man, Jude, and lagi in this in how to say I don't have money. Man, Jude, and lagi has different intensities. Lagi is, when you use lagi, is like really, really. But if you use Jude, it's like really, really, really. The intensity here is really high. Okay? But you have to take note for lagi, you only say it on the second time. The man is the softer one, and then lagi is like a little annoyed, okay? And then Jude is like you're really telling the person that I really don't have money here, like super, I don't have money here, okay? But the lagi is more like, can you stop asking because I don't have money here, okay? That's the point of lagi. So it's like an emphasis telling you that, basically telling you that you have to stop because I don't have it. Okay, so okay, now let's move forward. All right, so I don't have money here. Wala ko'y kwarta. You can say wala man ko'y kwarta, or wala jud ko'y kwarta. Wala, another one is wala lagi ko'y kwarta. Okay, so that's how you add man, jud, and lagi. Okay, so here guys, I want to point it out that there is a contracted Y here in ko. Okay, this is not the contracted Y ang. This is different. Normally, this contracted Y is added to existential sentences when there is naa or wala. So sometimes if there is a personal pronoun, we will attach the contracted Y to the personal pronoun. Like in this case, we attach the contracted Y to ko. So you say wala ko'y kwarta. It sounds incomplete if you say wala ko kwarta dire. To really sound like a local, you say wala ko'y kwarta dire. Okay? Now, you can also contract wala here. You can say wa ko'y kwarta dire. Okay? You can also say that. Okay? Now, let's also, don't be confused with wala and dili, okay? In this phrase, don't use dili here, okay? Dili is more like cannot, okay? Okay, so you don't say dili ko'y kwarta dire. Don't use dili. Use wala, okay? All right? Now let's break it down. Wala means don't have. It does not exist, okay? Basically, this is the opposite of naa. Next one, money is kwarta, and then here is dire. Okay? Karon, mag-practice ta. Okay? Now, let's practice. Repeat after me. Wala, wala. Ko'y, kwarta, dire. Wala ko'y kwarta dire. Wala ko'y kwarta dire. Okay? Ma. Oh, unsa man? Ma, nakay piso? Wala ko'y kwarta dire. Piso ra bitaw, ma? Wala lagi ko'y kwarta dire. Di ka sa ganun, mama. Uy, piso ra gani. If you have a friend that keeps bugging you about money, you know what to say to them. Okay, dagang salamat mga higala. O kita-kita ta sunod. Bye, amping!